Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to look at basic grammar. Okay, so basic grammar, actually, if you understand what are the parts of speech, you almost understand the basic grammar. So in this video what I'm going to do is I'll explain you briefly about all these 8 parts of speech. I hope you know all the 8 parts of speech, but let's look at how they are and how we can use them. Let's look at them. There are 8 parts of speech. Okay, so these are the 8 parts of speech. Firstly, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So these are the 8 parts of speech, but do you know how do we use them? And first one is noun. Okay, so I'll tell you briefly about every part of it, and then after that we are going to have an individual or a different videos on every particular aspect. For example, noun, we are going to have a different video. So in this video I'll explain you briefly all 8 parts of speech. Let's look at the first one. It's a noun. So what is the definition? A person, name of a person, place or thing. Okay, all nouns talk about names. Okay, these names may be person names, place names, or a thing. Okay, so it is a city, it is a thing, pencil, and this is a boy. Okay, so a man. For example, you look at the examples given here. What are these? Cat, fireman, house, pencil, Chicago. Okay, cat, animal. Okay, fireman, okay, name of profession, and house, it's a place where we stay. Pencil is a thing that we use to write something. Chicago is a city name. Okay, so these are all talking about the names. Okay, what kind of names? These are the names of people, names of person, place, names of things. Okay, and the next one is pronoun. What is a pronoun? Okay, so see here, pronoun is, you look at the definition, a word used in place of a noun. Okay, we can't always use name of a person. For example, Rama is a good boy, right? Rama is a good boy, and he behaves politely with everyone. Okay, so in the same way, let's look at this pronouns. So pronouns are used in place of noun. For example, instead of a boy's name, we can say he, girl, she, it, they, you, we. So these are all the pronouns which are used in place of noun, right? Next one, verb. What is a verb? So let's look at it. Let's look at the definition. What does it say? So if you look at the definition, a word that tells what someone or something does. Okay, so verb is a word. It is also word like a noun, pronoun, etc. But this verb talks about what does a person do. It all talks about actions. Action word. It can be used as action word. An action word or word of being. Okay, it talks about status of something also. Okay, for example, see, sit, laugh, run, jump. Okay, what are all these? Sit is an action, sitting. Laugh is an action, laughing. Okay, run is an action, running. Jump is an action. Okay, these are all action words. So What a noun talks about? Noun talks about action. Okay, or in addition to that we can say what someone is. Okay, it talks about status also. He is a doctor. Okay, for example, see, he is a doctor. Okay, so is a verb and it's talking about the status of something, right? Next one, adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective, look at the definition, a word used to describe a noun. What does this adjective do? It it describes a noun, how this noun is. For example, happy, sad, red, green, short, tall, fat, hairy. For example, see, happy man is a happy man, is a happy man. Okay, what this happy is telling you, it is modifying the noun. Okay, is a man, is a happy man, is a man. Okay, instead of saying just is a man, we say is a happy man. She is a beautiful girl. So is a happy man. And look at the other examples: happy, sad, red, green, short, tall, fat, hairy. All these words are describing something. For example, short. For example, see, short boy. Okay, tall girl. So when you say short boy, this short is talking about this boy, how this boy is short, how this girl is tall. Okay, beautiful, fat, hairy, green. Okay, I have a car, for example, I have a green car. Okay, red car, sad face, happy face, etc. So what is an adjective? Adjective describes a noun, how this noun is. For example, you look at this is red. Okay, this is tall, so he is tall, he is short, etc. Okay, next one is adverb. So what does an adverb do? Adverb generally modifies an adverb, modifies a verb, modifies an adjective. Okay, so what does it mean? For example, he runs fast. He runs fast means, how does he run? He runs fast. This fast is an adjective, adverb. This fast is an adverb. How does he run? Fast. Right? So here an adverb can be added to a verb to modify its meaning. It modifies the meaning. He runs. Okay, so only you said he runs, but I say he runs fast. Okay, it is this adverb fast is describing or modifying noun. Okay, it also tells when, where, how, in what manner or what extent the action is performed. This is very important. Okay, try to understand, this is very important. So when the action happened, where, how, in what manner, these are all important to understand this adverb. For example, cheerfully, briskly, wickedly, delicately, fast, never, now. Okay, so many adverbs end in ly, but some do not end like that. So other words you can see, some words, look at this, some words like fast, never, now are not ending with ly words. Okay, so other adverbs, you just look at it: carelessly, slowly, loudly, today, angrily, here, tomorrow, now, happily, anywhere, later, anywhere. Okay, let's move to the other one. Preposition. This is very important one, and you have to learn carefully. What is a preposition? Let's look at the definition. A word placed before a noun or pronoun. What does it tell you? It shows the relationship to some other word in the sentence. For example, I am in the class. I am in the class. So in talking about in is placed before the class, and it is talking about the relation between the class and the man, I the subject. Okay, so here prepositions are to, with, against, by, from, at, for, across, in, etc. For example, under. If something is like this, under. If something is like this, over. If something like this, in. Something is like this, on. This is in front of, behind, next, etc. Okay, so we'll try to produce some exclusive videos on prepositions, and keep watching my channel so that you learn carefully, you can learn well. And conjunction, other thing is conjunction. What does a conjunction do? So it is these words are connecting the sentences or the words. So a word used to connect other words or the sentences. For example, see, and. So I have a blue car and red car. I have a blue car and red car. For example, I have a white car and red car. White car and red car, etc. So I have a car, but I have a car, but I don't have a bike. Right? You can say I have a bike, but I don't have a car, or because, etc. Okay, this is also another important parts of speech, and you have to learn these words carefully, and then your English gets better. And the final one is interjection. Interjection is talking about all emotions. Just so the emotions. If you look at this, hey, ooch, wow, hey, ho, so hooray, etc. These are all the expressions, emotional. When we are emotional, we express things. When we are happy, we say something else. Okay, when something happens, when somebody dies, a loss. Okay, etc. So, oh dear, oh my dear, wow, much, etc. So these are all the interjections, and we use them to express certain emotions. Okay, so in this video we looked at 4 parts of speech. We covered 8 parts of speech carefully, briefly, and here 8 are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe it so that you can get all the updates whenever I update a video. Thank you.